Our family's farm in Strathcona County was a large homestead. Dad had a big barn for our horses and dairy cows. There were several other buildings, and one of them was a shed he used to make sure farm tools were sharp and working properly. The shed was like a small blacksmith shop. It had a forge that Dad fired with coal. My brother and I had to help him by turning the hand crank blower so that the coals would stay red hot and heat up this iron. If we turned the blower too fast or too slow, Dad would get gruff with us. Once the tools were hot and soft enough, Dad could pound them into shapes on the anvil. Then they were cooled in a bucket of water before being sharpened. When our horses needed new shoes, we had to go to the real blacksmith shop in Ardrossan, where old Smitty made horseshoes and shoed horses. Smitty also made nails and chains that the farmers could buy. Sometimes Father had to pay him with chickens, eggs, and cream if we didn't have enough money. Back then, there were lots of coal seams in Strathcona County. 100 years ago, pioneers actually dug up coal along the banks of the North Saskatchewan River to heat their homes. Local blacksmiths, farmers, and settlers, as well as some residents of Edmonton, could buy supplies of coal from the Clover Bar mines. By the 1930s and 40s, we didn't need blacksmiths so much anymore. Autos and tractors replaced our horses, and we could buy our farm equipment and tools. But I continued to use my father's old blacksmith forge to repair our farm equipment and sharpen tools and plowshares.